Deputy President Kgalema Motlanthe hands party members their graduate certificates, and Health MEC Hope Papo says that non-payment of service providers is being given urgent attention. I am Nomcabo Mia. In line with the ANC's program of organizational renewal, hundreds of party members have graduated from the organization's political school at the University of Johannesburg, Soweto campus. The graduates from across the country are receiving their certificates of merit from Deputy President Kgalema Motlanthe. SABC senior political journalist Busi Chimombe reports.
The proud graduates have spent a grueling 11 months learning such subjects as governance, strategy and tactics, the history of South Africa and of the ANC. With the priority being given to chairpersons and secretaries of branches, these members have had to give up their Saturdays to attend the school. The hope on the part of the ANC is that a new ethos will emerge in the party, one of selflessness and service. For SABC News, I'm Busi Chimombe in Johannesburg.
Victims of the fire in the rural Nkwenkwe area at Malmoth in northern KwaZulu-Natal have blamed emergency services for not responding to their calls fast enough. The residents say they asked for assistance before their houses caught fire. About 50 homes have been damaged. Devastated local resident Senzeni Mchunu says a lack of water in the area made it difficult for them to put out the fire. An 84-year-old woman, Bizani Tabashe, has told a harrowing tale of how she grabbed an 8-month-old baby as the flames engulfed her roundabout. She ran with the infant until she collapsed from smoke inhalation. Another resident, Lindani Mchunu, who lost 2 houses in a homestead, says she could not save any of the family's belongings. The family of 15 has moved into the only remaining house in their homestead. The Gauteng government has given the assurance that the non-payment of service providers is being given urgent attention. This after the Health MEC Hope Papo conceded that his department had not met the end of June deadline to pay all service providers, despite promising to do so. This has negatively affected services in hospitals throughout the province. Just this past week, some of the machines that are supposed to treat cancer patients were all not functioning at the Charlotte Maxeke Hospital. Papo says the matter is being addressed.
We had accruals of 3.6 billion by the end of March. And in the new financial year, by April, it currently increased to 4-something billion. We cleared the accruals up to 196 million. That 196, those are queried invoices, and hospital managers and CEOs are clearing those ones. We hope that maybe the end of this year they will be cleared, and then we'll be able to because sometimes when you have a debt, people say they've done service and they find that there's a query.
One person has been killed and 3 others seriously injured following an accident involving 3 vehicles in Harrietdale in Germiston on Gauteng's East Rand. Ekurhuleni Metro Police spokesperson Kobedi Mokeseng says a 33-year-old driver of one vehicle died on the scene, while his 9-year-old son has been taken to the Union Hospital in a serious condition. 2 other injured persons have been taken to Natalspruit Hospital. Mokeseng says a 28-year-old man who is believed to have lost control of his vehicle has been arrested for drunken driving.